Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'm a photographer. Can I take some of your photos? It's for Instagram and YouTube purpose.
Okay.
So, shall I take some of your photos?
Okay. What's your Insta ID?
Yeah, I'll tell you. But first we'll do some photo shoot of yours.
Basically, I'm a Maharashtrian. So
Maharashtrian.
I speak in Marathi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So खूप चांगला काम केलं आहे तुम्ही. Okay.
Okay.
Couple of secrets I'll share.
Okay.
Avoid eating fried food. Too much fried outside food.
Yes, sir.
First one.
Yes. Koi kahe.
I'm doing fitness since last 25 years.
Yes, sir.
I'm 43 right now. कहता रहे. Everything in your life happens around your health.
Yeah, definitely, sir. I agree that the biceps have, it's like it's coming out of your t-shirt, sir. So pumped. Yes, that was very good.
I don't recommend drinking
Okay.
wine and all.
Okay.
I'm a very fitness freak person.
Yeah, definitely, sir. I can see that.
I like Amir Khan.
Amir Khan, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and
He's
my
a
favorite-
perfectionist.
Yes.
Yes, just like you. He maintains his physique. He maintains his movie.
Absolutely. Full time I'm doing a corporate job and also making people fit.
Yes, sir.
That's
That
my
is
motto.
multitasking.
Yes, obviously. I'm looking pretty serious in that.
Yes, sir.
Health attracts wealth.
Yeah, yes, sir. I can see. You're shopping very hard. I was waiting patiently for you to arrive.
I think I like your job and congratulations to you and me also because
Yes,
I'm
sir.
also appearing in your reel.
My name is Anil. What's your name, sir?
Makaran.
Makran. Okay. Hi, Makran, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from Nashik.
Nashik. Okay. Where does this Nashik come?
It's in Maharashtra near Bombay.
Bombay.
Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's nearby Mumbai.
Yes.
So according to you, what is famous in Nashik?
Sula wines.
Sula wines. Okay, that is something which you drink or what?
I don't recommend drinking
Okay.
wine and all.
Okay.
I'm a very fitness freak person.
Yeah, definitely. I can see that.
Yes.
Yes.
And apart from that, Nashik is a very historical city.
Yes, sir. I've heard about it.
Yes, you can find Sita Gufa, Ram Kund.
Okay, okay.
So Lord Ram came there during their Vanvas.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that is why it is famous for.
Okay, okay. Super, sir. So, how long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
I've been to Bangalore a couple of times, but yesterday I have arrived.
Okay.
It's for some work.
Okay, so.
And now my work is finished and now I'm here on MG Road with my friend.
Yeah, yes, sir. I can see. You're
Yeah.
shopping very hard. I was waiting patiently for you to arrive outside, but I thought, let's interrupt the shopping experience.
Yeah.
So, yes, sir. So, what is the secret of this fitness, sir?
I'm doing fitness since last 25 years.
Yes, sir.
I'm 43 right now.
Okay.
Running 43. I started fitness at the age of 19, you can say.
Okay.
And after that, I continue.
You continue.
I'm married. I have 2 kids.
Yes, sir.
And I'm enjoying life. I'm also working as a fitness coach.
Fitness coach.
Part-time profession.
Uh-huh.
Full time, I'm doing a corporate job and also making people fit.
Yes, sir.
That's
That
my
is
motto.
multitasking.
Yes, obviously, it's a
Yes.
multitasking. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Any secrets you want to share? Like, for till this age, age also,
Okay.
how can one maintain his body?
Okay. So, couple of secrets I'll share.
Okay.
Avoid eating fried food. Too much fried outside food.
Yes,
This
sir.
is first one.
Yes.
Second, ensure daily at least 6 to 8 kilometers walking,
Uh-huh.
or at least 10K steps.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Third, lift every day. Work out every day at
Yes,
least
sir.
for 45 minutes to 60 minutes.
16 minutes.
People say they don't have time, but
Yes, sir.
1
1 hour.
time
Yeah, they
you
can take.
definitely take out for yourself.
Yes, sir.
And if you are healthy, everything in your life happens around your health.
Yeah, definitely, sir. I agree that.
And I strongly believe that health is wealth.
Yes.
First priority should be health.
Yes.
If you are healthy,
Yes.
then wealth automatically comes.
Yes,
Health
sir.
attracts wealth.
Yes, and also we can get good sleep if you're healthy.
Yes.
We can stop snoring.
Yes.
If you stop snoring,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
it will maintain your health.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes. Do you have any favorite actor of yours?
I like Amir Khan.
Amir Khan, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and
He's
my
a
favorite
perfectionist.
movie- Yes.
Yes, sir. Just like you. He maintains his physique. He maintains his movie.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And he also has tag perfectionist.
Yes.
He actually wants every scene to be very perfect. If there's a flaw in that, he'll retake it.
Yes.
Yes, sir, that's a good choice. So any favorite movie of his?
Dil Chahta is my favorite movie.
Yes, sir. Farhan Akhtar directed it.
Farhan
And that was a very unique concept back in 2000s. And nobody expected that Amir Khan would look like that young in that movie also. Because it was after, I think, which movie? So that he has a long hair. He fought with the British American. Lagana? No, sir. Not even Lagan. Some. Okay, sir, I don't remember that name, but it was a flop movie. Mangal Pandey. Yes, it was after Mangal Pandey, I think. Dil Chahta came.
Yes.
And it was a fresh movie, everyone liked it, and it was a big hit over there.
Yes. Even in Bangalore also, you
Yes, sir.
can not even imagine that he became a dad of 3 girls.
3 girls, sir.
He put on so much of weight.
Yes, and like 100 kgs. Yes. And again he went to
that was pretty difficult and
as an athletic also.
absolutely,
He came.
Absolutely.
Yes, so that was very good, sir. I appreciate that. And so, do you have any favorite song of yours?
It's only from Dil Chahta hai. Koi kahe कहता रहे इतना भी हमको दीवाना हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये ज़माना. That's my favorite one.
कोई कहे कहता रहे इतना भी हमको दीवाना. Yes, that was very good. Just the way you are.
Okay.
So if you want to adjust something with your hairs or t-shirt or something like that, you can adjust over here, sir. All is good, sir?
Okay.
Yes. We'll do some more, sir.
So that's the place where I have to stand.
It's okay, sir. I'll come around you. So it's coming good, sir?
Yeah. Okay.
We'll do some more, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So over here, sir. So some 50 photos I've taken.
Okay.
So meanwhile, it's currently loading over here. So meanwhile, sir, I can talk to you for some time.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. We'll see the photos. So some 50 photos, sir. So I'm going to choose any 5 from here.
Okay.
So I don't know, which pose was good. This one's good, sir.
I'm looking pretty serious in that.
Yeah, sir. We can do still more.
Okay.
I'm thinking to do some more also.
Maybe this one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this one I think. With the triceps of yours.
Yes.
It's very punked over there.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This is very good. We'll do some more, sir. Just be the way you are. Just see here, see there. That's it. That was pretty good, sir. Some 50 photos over here again.
Okay.
So it's currently loading. Sir, look at the photos. Sir, the biceps have, it's like it's coming out of your t-shirt, sir. So pumped. Maybe this was good, I think. You can choose. For me, the crowd, sir, they just come in between.
No problem.
Yes, sir. And this was your, back poses and all.
Yeah.
And I was waiting for you to turn. So we'll do one last, sir. Just walk, sir, towards the camera. I'll tell you to stop over here, sir. Somewhere over there. Stop. You can do something, sir. You can, kiss the camera, or, flex your biceps, or in triceps you can do just over there, sir. Just walk and stop this, sir. Hey, one more, sir. One more. Bro, sir. Yeah. That was good, sir. I mean, you came very front, I think.
Okay.
So
this was first shot.
yeah, first shot, sir. So I made you to do again. So I think this one also came good, sir. But I'll surprise you with this. This will become something which this will become a slow motion video, sir. This will be a slow motion video and a fast video. Okay. So I'll surprise you with this. Sir, any one review, sir, about this experience in your native language?
Okay. So first of all, good job. Okay. It's not easy to
No, sir. In your native language. It
Okay.
should be in your native language.
Okay.
Whatever you speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm a Maharashtrian. So I speak in Marathi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So खूप चांगलं काम केलं आहे तुम्ही. Okay.
Okay.
And एवढ्या क्राऊडमध्ये असं सगळं फोटोग्राफी करणं आणि अप्रोच करून ते कम्फर्टेबल करून घेणं, इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब. अँड क्लिकिंग ऑल दोज 50 फोटो निकालना and showing it a very decent way. I think I like your job, and congratulations to you and me also, because
Yes,
I'm
sir.
also appearing in your reel.
Yes, sir. Thank you for that, sir. I hope to see you again, sir.
Yeah.